about to leave.
So we're on the bus going to Dublin. It's gonna be a long ride.
As soon as we arrived here earlier, he was driving and he parked over the disabled drop-off area.
1 in the morning and nobody had
He was like, oh, okay, why not? And then the guard stopped by his side and asked him for a disabled card.
His eyes was like, do you have a disabled card? He didn't have it in disabled. He was just like, oh.
I'm sorry, I'm just gonna go now.
The guard looked so scary.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with
You always get caught.
My bags always get stopped.
Why is that?
I don't do drugs.
no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
Oh, we are here in Frankfurt. The gate changed like 3 times, but we have we have an hour to kill and we got some food.
Pretzels.
I got this. Well,
No,
actually
that's
got
mine.
this.
That's mine, me. That's mine, stop.
I don't understand what this is.
I'm stuck with this because she ate mine.
Oh, this is not pretzel.
It's not.
I thought it was pretzel.
But it's shaped like a heart.
It's good though. It's not pretzel. We're kind of lost.
No, we're not. Careful now, we're gonna cross the road.
I feel like I'm in the Philippines because the weather feels like it's Philippines.
No, not really. It's a bit colder. But
It's a little colder, but it's so hot.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
Say hi.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
You know what the Indian guys like? Let me give you love with my shawarma. We're trying to tour around our hotel area because it's so gorgeous. It's like 8 o'clock in the evening.
We arrive at about 5-ish.
So we're just down here at the water area and I can see little fishies around here. So cool.